Okay, this is for my lovely wife Leanne. I just spent 3 days up here. This road was a complete wreck. It was all washed out. Only a four-wheel drive could go through. This is the approach that people have not been using, but we took it upon ourselves to straighten it up, clean it up, rather than having to come in that way. And this is home. This is the new one of two approaches and entrances to the property. So we go like this, maybe. Here is the, oh man, I got so much dust in my, here's a culvert. If you remember, and I know you do, this was a huge wash. Oh, little baby bunny. Right there. Hello, little bunny. All right. Oh, he's coming to me. He likes me. So anyway, this wash now has a culvert, and we have to come in and another project. Oh, fingers! Another project to rock this off, secure it. They don't do that. That would have cost a lot more. We're going to do that. And then if you look over here. This is the yard line, if you will. On this side of the road, there's a half-acre garden, and you see this soil right there. That's all taken from the pond. We scraped all that. There's like 15 bucket loads there. This here is a approach. It's a walking trail and a fence marker guideline for me. This is where the 20 by 48 greenhouse is going to go, and right through there is the pad that we built. So now I'm just going to take you on a little tour, show you what we did. Two guys with front end dump truck motor gizmo, I don't even know the name of it, just big. They did a lot of work. So now what I want to do is I'm going to show you what we did here. We created a way. Oh, I gotta do my door. We created a way to drive around the perimeter of the property and walking trails. Plus it's going to be great for the dogs, and it allows us, right there's the so I'm going to fence all this in. There's a pond. You can see where we were taking soil out down there. And the views down here are pretty cool. I enjoy it, definitely. I'm gonna have to trim this up because the fence is gonna go on the outside line. This line right here is where the fence is gonna go. And then the road is for us to, drive around, check things out, make sure the property's secure. Then we have a road that goes from here so we can access down there to go get soil. To we needed access down to the lake where we could drive vehicles, cars, four-wheelers. Guests could come down. And then I trimmed up these two bushes. This here got trimmed. And then this road comes up. And you come out, and there's the pad. And here is the half-acre garden that I was telling you about. And then we made a path. That's the wellhead. So there's a path and a road, if you will, to get down there. And then this road that I was driving on now becomes not a road, but it really becomes the fence line, where we are able to secure the property and lock everything up. So we have two different approaches. This one, this road very well. This road takes longer to get out, but nonetheless, you can. So we've got to build the gates. I've driven the van in and out of this approach really easy. We don't bottom out, so that's really cool. And then this is the area that has that pond dirt, that pond soil mixed in with it. So this here, once these monsoons start hitting this ground, this has all been grazed on for generations. I mean, there's so much cow manure out here, and they've been eating the grass, and they've been, just really doing what good land needs and wants to preserve it. But I went around and I picked up all these cow chips, and I'm going to let those sit here today, probably until the next time I come. But then this all gets fenced off as well, all the way down to the wash. And if you look at the road right there, that's the wash. So all that along the fence line, in this fence line, all the way to here, all that in total fenced off is 3/4 of an acre. But what I have tilled here and graded is a half acre. And then this here is, what is it, 75 by 100 maybe? 75 by 100. That's amended. And before I leave here today, that will all be distributed in there as well. So when these monsoons start coming in, we've got excellent biology from the pond. And when that gets wet, and it's going to get all mixed in with this soil. And this is really good soil. We have 36 inches, between 30 and 36 inches on average of topsoil here before you start getting into any of the, the limestone and the rock and different things like shale. Shale is big up here. And then this path, you can see, goes down to the end, around a couple of trees, and then ends up over where that really cool rock feature is at the top of the dam. For that. Oh, here I go. If you remember that, Leanne. So anyway, gonna go take care of some business. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. And those of you that are watching the channel, you just got done listening to a conversation I made recapping what we did up here at our new homestead up in Apache County. Take care, everybody. God bless. Nice hanging out with you.